done that, but I don't know if I've ever done it from being completely inside. So here now will be an official tour of the inside of the Roofnest. And let me just say that if you subscribe to my channel or you like my videos, thank you. I really appreciate you. Just also like to point out that I have owned this thing for almost a year. I have lived in it and out of it for probably a grand total of 6 months, and I am getting ready to leave Arizona and go full-time camping again. I have the Roofnest Sparrow, which is one of the smaller models. It is 84 inches long and 49 inches wide. So if you're a tall person, there is plenty of legroom in this thing. This model has 2 doors, one on the passenger side and one on the driver's side. It also has 2 windows, one at the foot and one at the head, and all the doors and windows close up tight if there's bad weather. The doors are capable of being unrolled and extended as awnings, which is really nice. It's a great feature. I am 5 feet tall. I can sit completely upright in the nest, but my head does touch the roof depending on where I am on the inside. The Roofnest comes with a cargo net that attaches to these little points over here. You can see the points like right there. I'm not a fan of the cargo net because it's kind of loose, and when you throw things in it, it really droops down and it takes away from the headroom. But I like these bungee cords. I use the bungee cords, which I do believe they have these little loops here that if you put the bungee cords here, it helps pull the sides of the tent in when you put the tent away. I use them to hang little things, and I have camping headlamps up there and other camping lights up there. I have a 2018 model of the Roofnest Sparrow. They have since upgraded the Sparrow and made it even more awesome. I think their newer models have built-in fairy lights, which is really cool. I just use my own. If you needed to, you could use the windows at the head and the foot of the bed as doors, because the tent and the bug nets open and close completely. There are 2 removable storage pouches that you can use inside or out for shoes or whatever else your heart desires. There are also coat hooks at the head of the bed for hanging whatever you want to hang up. it's really hard to video the inside of the roof nest. This is me on one end, and my camera's all the way over there by you. Like I said, I'm 5 feet tall. You can sit up in here comfortably by slouching. And it's plenty of space to move around. This is sold as a 2-person tent. It's very comfortable for 1 person because I'm the only one that sleeps in it, but I don't know. I don't have my arms fully extended to either side of me, so I would think that it would be a little bit tight for 2 people in here. But I have read other people's reviews that 2 people fit comfortably. I just don't have the data to back that up one way or the other. It's a great tent. You can keep all of your bedding in it. It has a mattress. It has an anti-condensation mat underneath the mattress. I have slept in this thing in temperatures as low as 32 degrees and with the windows and doors closed in a 0-degree sleeping bag. I am warm, and the mattress is foam, and so the mattress keeps me warm as well. And that is it. This is the inside of the roof nest. I hope this was helpful for you. If anybody wants to hit me up and actually come and see the inside of it in person, that's probably the best way to do it. I'm more than happy to open it up for people to view. Every time I open it up, somebody is interested in seeing the inside. Right, okay. I'll see you all in the next video.